Hey folks, this is Anupam back again. Now I'll talk about how we do schema-on-read for lakes and basically, get SAP data, stream it to any of the lakes. I'll use Azure for this demo, but really you can use AWS, GCP, or any other lake which you use. All right, so share screen. Now, what I'm going to do is I'll first extract this report. This usually is my favorite one to get data, and we are putting it to Azure, putting it to this directory in our Azure. So when I run this, it's streaming this data from SAP report directly to Azure Data Lake. And let's wait for this to finish. What it is doing is getting the schema. There it is, ran successfully. If I go and refresh, that's the report it has streamed. And if I look at it, basically the first row is the schema, as you will call it, as of this time, and the rows, right? So this is available as of this date. Tomorrow, let's say they add 2 new fields and remove 5 fields to whatever they want to. We don't need to come and change any of this. It will start streaming really from that schema that day onwards, right? So that's one, and I'll simply show how easy it is to, let's say, get another schema. Now I'll do a table T001 W, save, and run this. Now it will run through. It doesn't know really what object we are calling and what will be the schema. All of that is decided during the runtime. And both the schema is read as well as the underlying data with that schema. And that's what gets streamed to your data lake. So if I go back here, refresh, I have this data from T001W. Again, the structure remains the same. First row is always the schema as of now, and then the follow-on. The easy part here is, if I have to switch from one table to another, or one table to even a report or a T-code or a query, all of this is, we don't need to change anything on the pipeline. It streams directly the schema as well as whatever the underlying records are. All right, I hope you find this useful.